I love bringing a sense of wonder through my art to the people around me. They walk beneath these beautiful jellyfish and they just have to stop and take a breath. It's like they're suddenly in another world, or at the bottom of the ocean, underwater. These ethereal creatures inspire us as they catch the light, passing through the air over your head, all full of electricity and magic. They make you feel like you're part of something bigger. With built-in Wi-Fi control, it's easy to create and control the mood of your space. Create an opulent underwater scene, spice up a dance floor, or build drama with just a few clicks. The Jellyfish Swarm is available for rental or purchase. Visit the website for more information, and thank you so much for creating magic.